Writing a Summary, Part 2. So in this lesson, we've already answered the question, what is a summary and when do I need to summarize information? Now let's answer the last two questions. How can I write a summary and how can I avoid plagiarizing? So how can I write a summary? I begin with an introductory sentence, usually including the title and author of the work I'm summarizing. Then I give the main points of the work and a couple of the most important details, and I close with a concluding sentence. Let's use the story we read last week, Superstitions, the Truth Uncovered, and write a summary of that story. Okay, so we're going to write a summary of the short story Superstitions, the Truth Uncovered by Jamie Kiffel. You read this last week in your Edge Level A book on pages 21 to 24. So this was a 4-page story. Let's begin with our first sentence. We're going to identify the story and author and give a little description of the story itself. Superstitions, the Truth Uncovered by Jamie Kiffel, explains the origins and realities of some common superstitions that people created to give a reason for bad luck. Now we're going to give an example of that, one of the examples from the story. An example is the superstition of walking under a ladder, which is related to the triangular shape a ladder makes with a wall, and the belief that this sacred shape will release bad spirits if it is broken. Then we'll finish with our concluding sentence. The article shows that all superstitions have a logical explanation. So that is our short summary of a story, which was 4 pages in your textbook. So plagiarism is related to summary writing because if you're not careful, you might use the words of the author to write your summary, and we can't do that. You need to use your own words. So here is a piece of text from the Superstitions article, and notice that I gave the idea without using the same words as the author. So for example, I used the origins instead of saying where the beliefs come from. I used the word realities instead of straight facts. And I used give a reason for misfortune for the author's phrase explaining bad luck. This is where your vocabulary comes in handy. So my suggestion when you're writing a summary is to read the article, make sure you understand it, and then close the book, the magazine, or the website, and then write your summary without looking at the text while you're writing. Then you can go back and make sure that you've captured the idea without copying the words. So now you're ready for a quiz.